Bangladesh is a country in South Asia. It is the eighth most populous country in the world, with a population existing 165 million people in an area of either 148,460 square kilometer, making it one of the most densely populated country in the world. Bangladesh shares land border with India to the west, north, and east, and Myanmar to the southeast. To the south, it has coastline along the Bay of Bengal. It is narrowly separated from Bhutan and Nepal by the Siliguri corridor, and from China by 100 km of the Indian state of Sikkim in the north. Dhaka, the capital and largest city, is the nation's economic, political, and cultural hub. Chittagong, the largest seaport, is the second largest city. The official language is Bengali, one of the easternmost branches of the Indo-European language family. Bangladesh forms the sovereign part of the historic and ethnologistic region of Bengal, which was divided during the partition of India in 1947. The country has a Bengali Muslim majority. Ancient Bengal was an important culture center in the Indian subcontinent, as the home state of Bhanga, Pundra, and dynasties were the last pre-Islamic rulers of Bengal. The Muslim conquest of Bengal began in 1204 when overall North Bengal became the part of Delhi. Three-city state emerged emerged in the 14th century, with much of eastern Bengal being ruled from Sonargaon. Missionary leaders like Sultan Balki, Shah Jalal, and Shah Makdum Rupos helped in spreading Muslim rule. The region was unified into an independent unitary Bengal Sultan under Mughal rule. Eastern Bengal continued to prosper as the melting pot of Muslims in the eastern subcontinent and attract traders from around the world. Mughal Bengal became increasingly assertive and independent under the Nawab of Bengal in 18th century. In 1757, the betrayal of Mir Jafar resulted in the defeat of Nawab Sirajuddaulah to the British East India Company and eventual British domains across South Asia. The Bengal presidency grew into the largest administrative unit in British India. The creation of Eastern Bengal and Assam 1905 set precedent for the emergence of Bangladesh. In 1940, the first Prime Minister of Bengal supported Lahore Resolution with the hope of creating a state in eastern South Asia prior to the partition of Bengal. The Prime Minister of Bengal proposed a Bengali sovereign state, a referendum, and the announcement of Red Sea Line established the present-day territorial boundary of Bangladesh. In 1947, East Bengal became the most populous province in the dominion of Pakistan. It was renamed as East Pakistan, with Dhaka becoming the country's legislative capital.